it's Del here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make easy and delicious coconut macaroons. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Line your baking sheet with parchment paper. I don't have parchment paper, so I'm going to use lightly greased tinfoil. In a large mixing bowl, add 4 egg whites, half a cup sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract and a half a teaspoon almond extract. Mix until thick and frothy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 4 cups of coconut flakes and mix until well combined. With a tablespoon, grab 1-inch balls and place on your baking sheet 2 inches apart. Place your macaroons in your preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. In a double boiler, melt a cup of chocolate chips. This will be your finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.